Here are some demo videos, none other than your Joseph. At last, today I am doing how to install Google Chrome in Android TV. Guys, I am showing in you on Sony Bravia 55-inch model. It's 1,06,000. I bought it for 1 year ago. Because in Google Play you don't have Google Chrome, guys. You have so many apps but you don't have Google Chromes, guys. See here, I searched Google Chrome and it says no results found, guys. That's why I'm showing you how to download Google Chrome inside your Android TV. It mostly works on Sony Bravia TVs, all of them. And little bit of another TVs also can be worked. It's mostly for Sony Bravia TVs, and other TVs can be worked. Try, but and first you want to install a app, guys. You should install app. The app name is TV app repo. Here we go, TV app repo. You should type this app. First you should install this app. You can easily type in your Google Play TV app repo like that. And you should need a computer or laptop for this process. It's not a data transferring process, but it's a very easy. And you should go to down your settings, and here is my Google account, guys. Don't forget this. This is my Google account, guys. Remember yours, which you are logged in TV, guys. After that, you should open your laptop or computer, guys, and you should go to your Google Chrome. My internet is little bit of slow currently, that's why, guys. After you opening this page, guys, you should search Google Play, guys. And don't forget, you should log in with same Gmail which you are login on your TV, guys. Same Gmail you should log in here also. See, I searched Play Store. Nearby short form the Play Store. You can search like anything. I searching Play Store. It's Google Play Store full form. I'm entering Google Play also. Google also for security. Again, another place stores will come. That's why. After that, click on the search button, guys. Here, first open the first link of Google Play Store, guys. Click it on that. Double click. After clicking, it can load, guys. Here it says, and go to search and search Google Chrome. Some messages are coming. That's why I am blocking for it's a private info. That's why. After that, here I am changing to my another account, guys, which I was logging in my TV. Already I am saying, don't forget already which I am logging in my TV, guys. After that, I log in on that. Now you can click on Google Chrome. Search on Google Chrome, guys. Google Chrome. I searched only half of it. Why I should tap all the things, because I don't use laptops often. That's why. Here, click on install, guys. After clicking on install, don't forget log in with the same email when you are logged in your TV, guys. And here, guys, it's password for security purposes. I entered it, and let's click next. And it's taking time, guys. After that, it's coming. It's loading, guys. After loading, you can see Sony Bravia current my TV, Sony Bravia 2015. Check it out. Click on OK. After that, OK again. and this will be starting installing very soon. Here I am entering my TV, guys. After that I open my settings, same email. After that open your settings of your TV and you should update it your latest version, and click it, go up and search for apps, guys. You will getting apps down. Open, go to settings and open apps, guys. See, open apps, upper one. After opening your apps, you can see clearly Google Chrome. And guys, you want webs, you can open from here the Google Chrome, guys. After that you can click on open and click on accept. Go down and click it on accept, guys. After accepting this, you should automatically come to the I'm using arrow, guys, and here it says continue. I have connected my computer's mouse to this. Here we go. You will getting the home page, guys. You can see here currently everything is came back again, Google Chrome, guys. And before this is not over, guys. You can only access from here by using this, but one more is there. Go back to home. You will not get here, guys, anywhere Google Chrome. You will not get. I already done. Go to the app, guys, TV app report. Open that app, guys. You will not get Chrome, guys. After that click on allow. After that you should go and search. Here you will get the Chrome option, guys. Currently I am not getting because I'm showing you with another app, but do the same process. Press it on that, and after that click on create shortcut. You should press on Google, guys. I'm already done that. That's why Google is coming in my home page and saying here open this app. You will get the Google icon. Click it on that. You can see download complete. Now you will get the app here. After that you should click on install. I'm again announcing I am doing with another app because I already done this. That's why I'm doing with another app. But you should, Google Chrome will want to come there, and you should do same process to Google Chrome. Like that you will get. Otherwise you will not get this Chrome icon in your front after downloading the old processor. You can direct access with our apps. After this processor Google will come. Sorry for a little bit of inconvenience. I think you should repeat and think you should then you should watch 2-3 times this video to understand. You didn't understand means, and here you go. You can now access easily Google Chrome, guys. You like this explanation? Sorry, but little bit of inconvenience, guys. See, I'm pressed YouTube to show you. After YouTube, I connected my wireless mouse and keyboard, guys, like that. Here I have a YouTube. I think phones YouTube has open. Little bit of computers YouTube is open. Means you can get a computer experience by using this one, guys. And this is, and you want more videos like this, any doubts you have means go and comment down below. Your topic is interesting, how to do, I know means I will guaranteedly making a video on that topic. Go and comment down below immediately, guys. I will be replying, and subscribe to our channel. Hit the like button. Here is our channel, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the like. See, guys, just click the like button by supporting us. We have so much lot of content. This lot of content is coming also, guys. Click it on subscribe for more videos, guys. Amazing. And You can get like unboxings, reviews also guys, everything in our channel. Hope you like this video. Sorry for the inconvenience. Subscribe to our channel. Bye bye. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching our channel. Bye bye.